Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start while hair is damp because shape sets best then. Apply a small amount of pre-styler or mousse. This gives hold without stiffness and helps volume last. Next, comb hair back and create a subtle side part to guide the quiff. Use your fingers at the hairline to lift the front. Pushing up creates the initial height. Once done, blast with a medium heat blow dryer while lifting the front with a round brush to lock the shape in place. You now sculpt the midsection. Wrap the front over a round brush and direct airflow from roots to ends to encourage upward curve. This creates the quiff's signature roll. Use medium heat and keep the nozzle focused to avoid frizz. Once the desired height is reached, use a cool shot to set the style so it holds longer. Then work a peat-nickel amount of medium hold paste between your palms and run it through roots to tips for definition and separation, without crunchy residue. You finish by pinching the quiff into its final silhouette, working from roots to tips to maintain lift and texture. A light mist of flexible hairspray locks it without stiffness. If hair falls flat later, sprinkle dry shampoo at the roots and briefly reblow dry while lifting to restore volume. If the ends flop, a tiny amount of wax on the tips adds weight and separation. Make sure to adjust product amounts to hair thickness so the quiff stays airy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.